On a quiet night, the stars twinkled above Sleepyville, as usual. Young Mia gazed at them from her window, wishing for something magical. Suddenly, one small star sneezed, shaking the sky with a sparkling glitter shower. Other stars heard the sneeze and shivered, trying not to sneeze themselves. Mia blinked, watching colorful streaks fall onto her house and garden. Her kitten, Whiskers, pawed curiously at the floating, glittery dust. Mia caught some sparkles in her hand, feeling a tingle of magic. She wished, "Let Whiskers talk," and with a puff, Whiskers whispered, "Hello." The stars sneezed more, covering Sleepyville in shimmering, soft glimmers. Kids ran outside, scooping up magic sparkles, making wild wishes come true. Dogs danced, trees sang, and laughter echoed as wishes bounced everywhere. Mia shouted, "Thank you, stars," and the stars winked, proud of their sneezy magic. Soon, the stars stopped sneezing, and sparkles faded as dawn approached. But wishes lingered, and Sleepyville felt forever changed, touched by star magic. Every night, Mia watches, hoping for another sneeze from the twinkling lights. The stars smile, ready for more magical sneezes, whenever kids believe.